County in southern Maryland until 8:15 p.m. At 4:08 p.m., Doppler radar indicated repeated thunderstorms producing heavy rain which will cause flooding. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Prince Frederick, Breezy Point, St. Leonard, Huntingtown, the Quasco, Calvert Beach, Barstow, Fort Republic, and Bears Beach. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in this portion of Calvert County as additional thunderstorms develop and move into the area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Repeating, an area flood warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following county: Calvert, Maryland,